Are you looking to build a strong CV, gain on ground industry exposure, and contribute to a meaningful cause at the same time? Then we have just the right opportunity for you. The Indian Ocean region is filled with exciting treasure troves of opportunities. Are you eager to know what's happening below this surface? Maritime Research Center and Neerdhwani Technology work extensively towards the cause of underwater domain awareness. The Underwater Domain Awareness Framework covers many aspects from maritime security to environment and disaster management to technology, innovation, and human resource development. If you are interested in exploring any or all of the above, then you are the right fit for an exciting internship with us.
So what we encourage our interns to join us for is a 6 weeks or a 6 months or a 1 year internship. So the 6 weeks is normally like a summer internship. When they come to us, the first thing they do is produce a research note. A research note basically comprises of a detailed literature survey which establishes the state of the art so that we exactly know what are the research directions that can evolve out of this. So they understand the various literature that is available in open source and also interact with various domain experts. Going forward, they work on a flow chart which gives us proper structure to the project and how it will be taken forward. In the 6 months internship, it's by the end of the first month, we expect our research scholars or the interns to come up with a detailed research note and also work towards a detailed paper. So by the end of their 6 months, they have a research note, they have a proper flow chart, they have a project report and also a publication, a substantial publication. By the end of the 6 months, we give them a certificate and also a letter of appreciation. There are some students who may like to take this forward and once they get involved into this, and they may join us for a 1 year internship as well. But parallel to this, some students whom we find are quite positive and they have the right skills, we may also support them with a fellowship, and they will be supported with a monthly stipend, and they can pursue their work, and we give them all academic and research support, whatever data required, we support them with that, and they get a very good connect with the industry. And the second is a UDA research fellowship, where they are able to take this forward to a much more substantial work, either through like a monograph or a substantial report that comes out of it, which can be taken forward on a policy level or a technology level.
I interned at MRC last year in the summers of 2019. So, being from a computer science background, when I was first, when I came to this, I came across this internship opportunity. I was not really very sure that what I could do as computer scientist or as computer engineer in the maritime domain. But when we had our first interaction with Arnab sir regarding our project, so I was really overwhelmed by looking at the kind of work which you can do in this field. So the Indian Ocean region, it is not really explored much, and people have not really worked in this domain. So I think here MRC is really doing a pioneering work. I'm really happy or satisfied with kind of mentorship I received from Arnab sir. I think this was really enriching experience for me.
So I think my experience with MRC was really unique and amazing, because like Shreya said, starting when we were in our initial days, we weren't very sure because this was a completely new domain. Within the first few days, all of us had so many ideas and so many interesting discussions, and we just wanted to do something. So what I can say is that we started with nothing, and towards the end of 6 weeks, all of us ended up having something very substantial to do.
not only do they understand what this UDA framework is, but they also understand what are the opportunities for them going forward. Either they are seeking a job, so their CV becomes very, very good. They could be working on something more substantial in terms of contributing to the society. I mean, somebody may like to take up something related to the environment, or somebody may like to take up some social cause connected to this. So these are the various benefits a student gets out of this. The internships in MRC or NDT are connected to all disciplines. It's a multidisciplinary internship. Students from any background can join us, and there is no qualification that we put as a mandatory thing. We have had our fellow who was from a history background. She worked on underwater archaeology. We could have some law student working on certain regulatory framework. We could have some management student developing business models out of this. We can even have some liberal arts students working on certain social dynamics of it. So it just doesn't limit them to any discipline, and it's a blue sky kind of an opportunity, and they can definitely take it forward in whatever way they feel is interesting for them.